So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working on your mobile phone. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to simply open our Discord application, and from here, let's tap on the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. Okay, now let's tap on profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Okay, so from here, tap on the gear icon, the upper right corner of the screen. And now let's scroll down until we find the app settings section. So from here we want to tap on voice and make sure that your input mode is set to voice. Activity is not push to talk just because our setting is to push to talk may interfere with the screen share audio. So if this fix does not work, or if this method does not work, what you want to do is to close the app and go to your Play Store, and from here you want to search for Discord and then click on it and make sure that your Discord application is up to date. If you see an update button here, you want to update your Discord application. Updating this may fix bugs and causes your screen share audio to not work. So if this method still does not work, what you want to do is to go to your settings. Go to your app settings and go to Google and search for Discord. Okay, now from here select Discord and scroll a bit down until you find the storage. Now from here you want to clear Discord's cache. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.